Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Are you tired of manually drafting contracts, sending them for signatures, and following up with clients? Let me show you how I automated the entire contract workflow from Google Sheets to SignWell using N8N. And the best part? It works while you sleep. Imagine you just closed a deal. Now you need to create a contract, fill in the details, upload it to your e-signature tool, send it to the client, and update your records. That's a lot of steps. And if you're doing this for every client, it eats up your valuable time. Here's the automation I built. When a client's status is marked as agreed in my Google Sheet, N8N kicks into action. It grabs the client's name, email, company, project details, amount, and start date. Before we automate, let's take a quick look at the SignWell contract template. This is where the magic happens. Each placeholder field, like client name, company name, project detail, and contract amount, is defined inside the template using what SignWell calls API IDs. For example, the client name field has an API ID like client name. The company field is client company. The project detail becomes project detail. And the start date is start date. These API IDs are how SignWell knows where to inject your data. So when we make the API request from N8N, we just pass a JSON payload with those exact keys. And SignWell fills them in seamlessly. Back in our N8N flow, the HTTP request node calls SignWell's API. It uses the template ID of the contract, passes the placeholder data using the API IDs, and SignWell instantly creates a new contract for this client. Even better, it emails the contract link directly to the client, ready to be signed. Let's click on the link in the email. Here's the document to be signed with pre-filled information. Right after that, the flow updates our Google Sheet with the contract link, the send date, and the current signed status, like pending or signed. This gives us a live view of all contracts and their progress without lifting a finger. This means zero manual contract drafting, no need to remind clients, no copy-pasting errors, faster closing rates, and way more free time for the stuff that really matters. If you run an agency, SaaS, or freelance business, this automation will be a game changer, like literally 30 minutes of setup to save hours every week. Smash that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more real-world automations like this. Thank you.